We made peace today. And he's fucked in it, we're all fucked. We're showing the team. But how much? 100.
Good morning. Right. Let's get this up and running. Right. Okay. Beautiful. So, good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me just get this all up and running. Okay, beautiful. So, welcome everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Greetings from Seattle. Ooh, very nice. So, yeah, yesterday, wow, big push in gold towards the end of the day, looking interesting. For sure. Yeah, let's get into this. Let me delete all this. Let's get up the news. Make sure to always check the news in the morning. Just it makes it easier to see what you can potentially have to look for. So, today we have some Euro news, a little bit of pound news, some USD news, but not really the biggest folders. You know, they're yellow folders, that's fine. But the main one is, yeah, 230 pound and Japan speaking, and then Fed Chair Powell speak. So definitely today at 230 it's going to be quite wild on both GJ and gold. So that's really the only thing that's went on here. So yeah, very, very simple. So let's take a look then at the first trade pair. So Goldie here, looking like Asian session ranged again. Okay, looking like Asian session ranged like 40 pips. So it's kind of a small zone. I'd say it's quite a small zone for a whole session. However, the daily candle has actually closed a little bit below, which is interesting. The daily candle's closed bearish. It's rejected this zone. So I said yesterday, 1 second. I said yesterday, you know, depending on this next daily closure, if you close bullish above, you know, 1939, then buyers could be quite nice for back above, but we have not. We have rejected. So, yeah, I do expect really the sells to be a little bit easier for us. Okay, so, yeah, let's just add this on for the daily candle. Right there. Okay, so yeah, right now obviously you can clearly see that there is some daily support there, like 1930, 1914, which could cause a little bit of concern for taking sell straight away. So we've got to be careful. We've got to wait for the right area, so that's fine. We have Paul and I talk at the same time. I know that's gonna be mad. So 4-hour time frame here. The last one closed bearish. This one just made a top wick and maybe it's about to reflip. But still, again, still holding the support, and that's the main thing. You know, you need to wait until we break the support. Okay, you start looking to the lowest time frames. You can see right now we're just ranging. Oh, so sore, fucking bastard. Sorry, my skin's just horrendously sore on my head. Ow. But yeah, right now you can see Goldie here on the 5-minute we're just ranging, on the 30-minute we're just ranging. You can see pretty easily there. As long as you've got some eyes, you should be able to see that. Yeah, you're just ranging, okay? So let's just mark our range right now. Our range is like here. Let's just make this maybe a little bit higher up, and then we change on the 15. So range right now is there. The low is, well, was there, but there was a little bit of a fake on the 30 there. So let's just whack this on. See how that looks like on the hourly? Yeah. So you can see already there is a little bit of a wick to this level. That was 16 pips. Yeah, I think the 15, realistically, the low is 1910. Because realistically here, this is what you got to go through. I mean, if you want to take sells below, what did I say there, like 1913 there, the issues you have is you have These two wicks, okay, rejecting. This is obviously rejected as well. Did push though. You've also got this bit as well. So it's just a little bit of a rejection zone that I don't feel too comfortable with. However, the zone below would be nice. Now, how does this make sense on the left hand side? So let me take a look here. Yeah, 1909, like here is where the resistance is, the support is, the resistance there. And every single time we come below, I know they have this little stunt, but for the most part here, we drive at least down to like there. Here's a little bit higher up like that. And then this zone, yeah, it's like 65 pips, okay? So once we look here, you can start to see what we'd want to take. So yeah, I mean, sells below 1910, I think would be realistic. Just tighten this up. This thing's a little thinner. Yeah, I think anywhere in that zone, I think you're gonna be pretty good to get into. So in that regard, I'm probably gonna wait for a closure below 1909.6 there. So using like current price, but also the previous price. Okay, and then obviously at that time it will be closing below the hourly, the 4 hour will be bearish, the daily candle will be breaking previous lows. So yeah, that would be great. But I don't want to get caught in this traffic here. Okay, that's the thing that I do not want to get caught in. Okay, so that is fine. In terms of that, in terms of buys, yeah, buys are hard, man. Overall, I'm pretty bearish at the moment. Buys are going to be interesting to say the least. I think the only buys you could really look for is if price closed back above. Yeah, price closed back above, maybe a little bit higher up, to be honest with you. But again, you know, I'm not really too bothered about the buys. So very simple on Goldie today. Hello, I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys are doing well on YouTube. Yeah, yesterday was quite fun. It was pretty mad through end of the day, but yeah, it was pretty timid for the rest of it. Oh my god, my espresso is cold. Real cold. I need to fucking warm up, god dang. So yeah, that's my selling thing. Obviously right now the price action is a little bit bad, but if it gets a little bit nicer, you could maybe look at W's and M's here. Sorry, W's here. Yeah, so I finished stream like yesterday, like here, literally the next candle ripped. But yeah, I think the 3 minute was the way to get into this one. Candle closed below, retested, and then continue. There was news though right there, so it looked good, but the news again could have pushed it the opposite way, but it didn't. It was nice. Nice. So yeah, that's that for Goldie. GJ here, still bloody bullish again. Daily candle has closed bullish. Okay, so same kind of stuff. This shit has just been running the whole of June. Okay, 4 hour time frame. Go to the lower time frames. It's slightly bullish, but hasn't really started moving yet. It hasn't really started moving in the first hour, really. Okay, but it looks like for me already, all I can say, all I can see is that price has made a high, retested, and now it's come back down to the price it's just broken out of. So it's a good level of support. So yeah, good day, Stall Smiles, newbie here. Crash, by the way, in the traders month. Get question: was all this called on your stream or outside stream? Some of this was outside stream as well because it was an NY session. Yeah, very very slow month. But as I say, I've barely been here, man. Been fucking around. So yeah, that's my higher time frames. I know I expect really GJ to react off this level and continue bullish. To be honest, the Asian session really hasn't done anything either. So marking up my zones, obviously this is previous resistance, which we just tapped into 183. So yeah, I mean, if I was looking for potential buys, maybe coming back below again, but where would you want to get in for buys? That is the question. I mean, yeah, I mean, maybe a buy above 183, 380 to maybe go back and retest the highs. I think that could be the easiest, and that would be with the 4-hour break in the previous 4-hour high, the hourly coming up. So yeah, you might be able to look for a buy there, I think. You got the clean candles, you got the retest, so I don't see why you couldn't take the buys there. That'd be great. Buys above 183, 381. Okay, beautiful stuff. And then for sells, obviously, for me, I've really gone through this recently, and sometimes I might have looked for like a sell below here, but yeah, I'm not doing that no more, because if you think about it, this is just the structure, right? So this is bullish structure. This low normally reacts off this high, correct? But bullish structure only changes when this low breaks this low. Okay, so yeah, I think you'd have to look at what you call like range 2. We can do it like this. So I'd only look for sells if we came like, you know, below this low. And obviously this is quite choppy, so that's fine. Only buys for me on GJ right now. Still very very bullish. You just need to wait for the retraces and you'll be good. Also adding on to this chart, we could maybe put the 50% Asian level. So let me just do this over there so you can't really see. There's the 50% of Asians. Obviously we want to be above that level. And yeah, Max getting that coke residue out of his nose. Oh my god, I just got an itchy nose, man. Itchy nose. Ah. So yeah, that's quite easy for GJ today, and pretty easy for gold. Gold sales are happening later on, and I'm gonna be in them. But yeah, we'll see how this does. But Asian sessions range, normally expect quite a lot of volume to come into London if Asian sessions range. So that's what we'll do. Let me just put a little thing on. There we go. Wicked. And then let's do EJ as well. Why not? Because EJ's been looking alright recently. Not today. Same kind of thing with GJ here. I'm not gonna mark it up. No point. I just find it where there's clean zones, and here there isn't really any at all. But that one day, where was it? Yeah, this one here. This is the day that I would mark, but I didn't have the time. That one was nice. This zone here is very clean. The rest is fugazi. Fugazi. So yeah, we'll have to see with this news today. It's going to be interesting. Didn't take any trades yesterday, but took 3 on Monday. And I'm gonna edit all them today as well, actually. Edit them. Because there were some good trades. We smashed GJ, which is great. It was beautiful. It was very, very entertaining being in 2 trades at once. Right, where's that fucking paper? 1 sec. Oh, there it is. Got it. Yeah, but how are you guys? Yeah, yesterday, on Monday, I put some stories of me playing some golf. I was knackered after that shift. It was great fun. It was great fun. But yeah, I'm twisted. I'm doing too much with my shoulders. I gotta chill it. That's what I gotta do. Let's take a look. Where's Kiko and Elohe this morning? Ah, Kiko is here. And Elohe is sleeping. Sleeping Beauty. He was traveling a lot actually yesterday, wasn't he? Was he like driving him for 5 hours? Like, damn. Alright, put this on. Beautiful. Who took trades yesterday in the chat? Make sure to post them, your trade reviews, into the Discord. We'll take a look at them as well later on. To go through. This dude going around messaging the Parafox. What the fuck? Everyone got slapped yesterday? Really? Did they? What did Don do yesterday? Not me. Good stuff. Max, how would you say the best way to deal with being greedy or too greedy in trading? Lost 2.3k yesterday due to being too greedy. What do you mean being too greedy? What, like you saw another opportunity? Like, you know what I mean? It's because someone could say that that's greedy, but then someone could also say no, you're just taking the setups that look good, and you know that's how you trade. So, are you just saying it was too greedy because you lost it, or did you make a bit of money and then lose some of it or lose all of it because of that trade? Oh, just straight up over trading each time with the bigger lot. Yeah, you gotta just stop increasing the lot. I'm telling you, it's the biggest thing. When I was learning, man, every single time I increased my lot because I thought that the trade would work out, I'd lose it every single time. It's the way it goes, man. Stop changing the lot. Just focus on the charts and the candles, right? Stop focusing on the lot. This is why you need magic keys, because you're not focusing on anything apart from if it's a buy or sell. Did you stream yesterday? No. I had to drive my girlfriend to the airport, which is an hour and a half away. Yeah, you gotta... And maybe just stick to your rules of like 3 trades maximum a day or 4 trades maximum, so you can get all the good trades that you want, but not have that excessive day where you've got like 13 trades. You know? Took the 5-minute W15 fake out at 8 AM yesterday. Gold buys. Ooh, very nice. Where was that? Oh, here. You mean the M? Yeah, this M was close. It would have been quite hard to have gotten. You actually looked at the 3-minute. But you got this W here. Ah, right, nice. So yeah, there was a little bit of a W earlier on. Sorry, later on. So can you see how this hourly's held support here? I was like, oh, this is nice. If you actually look here on the 5, this is what it gave you. The only issue is the W closed at the retest, so I couldn't get into that one, unfortunately. But yeah, that was nice. These Asian sessions have been nasty recently. Has Wix taken any trades recently? In Asian? Because it doesn't look very appealing. Oh, you took a trade last night? Where? Ah. Yeah. That's such a shit. He's just chilling in the zone. Just chilling. Kiko, get your mic on, my man. I'm bored being by myself.
Yeah.
Hello, my brother.
Hello.
How you doing?
No. I don't even know.
I don't even know.
I don't even know how to do. I want this GG to reject so we can get buys.
Yes, sir.
Breaking the 4-hour highs.
Yes, sir. I agree. It's like a 30-minute W as well. 15. Yeah, it's gonna get past that stuff, but above 381, yeah. There's a little W there. Yeah, I can see how you could take that one.
So you went golfing?
Yeah, man, it was good fun. Hard work.
You're almost as good as me.
Hard work. Good thing is I'm hitting them far and I'm hitting them straight, so that's good. It's just the technique's really off.
Bro, I hit that shit like I'm playing tennis. Fucking smack it, but it's not really like vertical. I hate it like I'm kicking a football.
Yeah. I wasn't pulling back high enough either for the swing down, but I realized if you get a bigger swing like up like that before you hit it, it goes much higher. If you keep it low, it doesn't go that high.
You live in Leeds, right?
Yeah.
Let me search what the fuck that is. Google. Leeds. Okay, no, that's up north.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yes, sir. It's not as north as I was before, though.
Where did you live? Newcastle?
Yeah.
Fucking Newcastle.
South is where it's at. I don't know. I don't think I'll ever beat the north. The north's
I think it's just culture, right?
Well, it's just people down south, more cunts than down south. Kiko is too loud? What? The Discord audio is so low there.
Bro, for fuck's sake,
I
man.
know,
Let me talk, man.
Maybe... Yeah, I don't know. This desktop audio is fucking down. Actual buys in GJ text is wrong. Should be 183, not 193. Ah, yes. 183. So yeah, today we'll do something at like 10 o'clock. Another GJ like 5-minute M&W one. Go through them. And yeah, make sure you do the homework as well. We've got that on Friday. Do you prefer Leeds over Newcastle? They're very similar. I'd say maybe... I'd say both, yeah. I couldn't pick. What is happening to gold? Consolidating.
No, Max, it's fucking moving, man. It's fucking insane volume, man.
Flying.
Look at the fucking 15. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's rough. Literally since 3 o'clock yesterday, which is really shit.
I figured something out due to Krim yesterday.
Uh-huh.
This guy enters if he sees
Wow.
we're consolidating around like 2:30, 3:30 your time.
Yeah.
And he just enters before the move happens, and then it just happens.
Well, he seems to wait for like the 4 hour to close, and if it closes bearish in a zone, then yeah, he'll fill the zone up. Yeah, it's nice. Nice way to get it every day.
Bro, I hit a back day yesterday. Oh my days. I walked out of the gym like I was fucking Superman.
I know I need to go today. I didn't go yesterday. Driving for 3 hours wipes you out. I was absolutely knackered yesterday.
Where the fuck did you go?
Manchester, but the like it was quick. It was quick coming back, but like the issue is that going there, you were in traffic. Like I set off at like 6 a.m. I got there for like. Sorry, I set off at like 5:30, and I got there for like, I think around.
Is it that
8
far away?
8:15. Yeah, because of the traffic, man. Like I was literally at one point I was like 8 miles away, but it was like 30 minutes left because it was just fucking traffic because it was the rush hour, you know. And that is when I knew that I didn't want to work in a corporate job and drive to work. It was fucking awful. Like, get me back on my desk where I can chill. I was on a call last night with one of our friends from home who's a big lawyer who went to Oxford, so he's like proper. And he says, yeah, I get fucking my ass beat on a daily basis. He said that his person above him just asked him to do some work tonight. He said that he gets pissed off because she just asks him to do stuff so randomly. Like, he might have just, you know, he's finished his work, made tea, ready to relax, and then she'll just ring him and go, right, you need to come in the office and do this. And what the fuck?
Bro, I must... To do that shit, I need to be getting at least 100k a year.
Yeah, he is, to be fair. I think he's getting quite... I think he's getting 200 and something, I think. So he's getting a lot.
Come on, man. Shut the fuck up, then. I mean, hard work, that's part of life, man. If you can't get used to it, then you're never gonna get anywhere.
Yeah, it's true. True that. Fuck that. Imagine you're ready to settle down with your girlfriend at the night. You've just finished things in the night. Yeah, that happens. But then, like his girlfriend as well works. She works in like finance and like a fucking
So they're both making
banker.
money.
Yeah, they both met each other at Oxford, you know.
Fucking hell.
But Apparently she has to wake up at like 4:30 and shit.
You know what it is though. If I had like a career like that, like I think some people become so dependent on what they do that after that they don't see any options apart from the career, like in terms of investing or doing something with their money. Like if you're
Yeah.
making 200K a year, like I hope you're doing something on the side, like
Yeah,
at
but
least
some
you're
people.
working on something.
Yeah, but some people don't. Some people just don't have that in their brains, or they don't like the risk. You know, a lot of people don't.
Bro, you're literally running more risk not doing anything.
I know, but it's the consistency, it's the clarity, it's the safety, it's the you know what I
It's
mean.
just a broke
It's
mindset, to be honest.
yeah.
Like,
Some people, some people just like I know Caitlyn. Like Caitlyn is not in any way, shape, or form in a business mind at all. But
I do like that, to be honest,
she'll
especially in women that they live day by day and just enjoyment.
Well,
I
it's just
wish I
because
had that.
on average, girls are more risk averse. You know, they don't want to be in risky situations. They want. Obviously, this is on average
Stability.
before these fucking lefties start telling me off. I mean, on average, men can also have this, but I'm saying most people, yeah, but most women, on average, compared to men, are more risk averse. So they want a more stable job, and that's why it comes from. Yeah, it just comes from that. They want a bit more stability, whereas men will take more risk, and that's why there's more billionaires and more millionaires for men because they're taking the risks and women aren't.
Plus, they're also ready to dedicate a lot more hours to a certain thing than
Yeah,
other people are.
yeah. Why does that guy sound like he wants to sell us a Ponzi scheme? Wakiko.
Bro, you guys don't know, I'm working with Ted. We're reopening Dominion, what's the one? Not Dominion
Traders
Markets,
Domain.
Traders Domain.
Yeah. That's mad, that. It's mad. I can't believe he did that, to be fair. I genuinely, do you know what I actually think's happened now?
I messaged him. I told you I was talking to him for DM and then I messaged him. I said, "You did that shit, didn't you?" He just left me on scene.
Yeah, I think I know what happened because so obviously you had this broker, and again, just in terms of business savvy, it makes sense, right? If 80% of people are gonna lose, why would you put them in as orders when you can just keep the money and pocket the money and just pay out the people that actually do make money? I get that, right? Even though it's a bit nasty, it's a bit untransparent.
Quite funny.
But none of this fucking bullshit's transparent. All of the funded accounts was complete bullshit. At the start, they were like, "Oh yeah, they're gonna let us trade their funds." No, you're not. They're just fucking gonna pay you out the demo account when the other people lose. That's all that happened. But a bit of clarity and a bit of transparency might have been nice. But anyway, I think what the issue is that he obviously was a good trader, Ted. He was a good trader. You could see that from his not his trades, because his trades could be fake, but from his analysis and stuff. He was on point. So I think he started trading all that money that they've cashed in. And then obviously as time went on, especially in recent times, I'd say like, the last year and a half, I remember Ted coming on to like Don's stream and stuff and like saying that he's in like 8 positions on the 5 minute and it'll be fine, it's come back up. And he used to be in some entries going, this is not the entries I think Ted would be in compared to the olden days. And I think he got a bit too big for his boots in some certain areas, and maybe the 5 minutes when he was entering got slapped a couple times. Especially for the fact that it was around where like the COVID and also the war and all that kind of stuff. I think he maybe just got a bit too big for his boots and maybe over leveraged a little bit and spunked it.
What was weird was that company was just changing the orders. Like that was fucking crazy.
That is crazy. So you mean a person who owns a broker can fake their trades then? Well, yeah, the CoffeeZilla guy went through it. He said there's literally, he found emails of them messaging the back end of the broker saying take off the loosened trades. Like, what the fuck?
He is a crazy guy, that CoffeeZilla guy. Like
Yeah.
he's dedicated.
Yeah, yeah. So mean a person who doesn't break and fake the trades. I don't know. I've just watched the video, man. I don't know. I'm just saying my opinion. But yeah, that's definitely put me off from having my own broker. Like, it's just, I just don't think it's fair. I think it's.
Do you think Raja is? I do believe in Raja, to be honest.
But then I believed in Ted as well, but he was a bit dodgier, I suppose. But
Now it seems dodgy. But back then you're like, yeah. But now if you hear him speak in a video of like old clips, then you realize like I don't know, some things click, like the way he did often mention that he didn't care and he just did it for the fun. And that's such a like that's such a how would you call that? That's such a like I don't really care, but I'm doing this just because I
yeah,
fucking
yeah.
want to do it.
Well, I suppose if you think about it, put it this way. You know, I knew he was on Trader's Domain. I never wanted to jump the boat to go to Trader's Domain. So I always had something in the back of my mind. Well, in anything, right? You know, if I never thought to join Raj's or anything. I just wanted to do the one that's been established and been there for years and years and years. And it's a big corporation, not just one guy at the top who's just made it in fucking 3 hours. You know? So yo, I love Raj's old streams like from 2021, full of knowledge, easy explanations of candles every day, 100%.
Yeah, man.
So
Raja comes on now to promote his shit, and I don't know.
Net dips, yeah. He's done the hard work, you know. He's done the hard
Yeah,
work.
yeah. I do miss it though.
Yeah.
I am not gonna lie.
My order got changed with them. Was intrusive and not risking with Dominion lol. Yeah, just exactly. That's why I say IC, just use IC. If you can't use IC markets, then Blueberry. So yeah. Will be booking, yeah. Why are summer months worse trading? Look at Donna's stream also. So many losses like last year in summer months. All traders suffer that. Yeah, I think it's... to be honest with you, if I actually go back on this month's been very good. I just think I've been a bit unfortunate. If this month was, you know, if I maybe had some Irish luck, these two would have been two winners that were 2% that with me out by 1 pip. I'd actually be up quite a nice amount. I'd be up like 6-7%. Bearing in mind I wasn't here for the first week, and also like this one here was just a bit. So yeah, I actually think this month's been good. I think I think it's been bad at all. I think actually a lot of people in the mentorship have been doing quite well. And actually, to be honest with you, what I also quite like it as well, from me not being like fully bashing it this month because of just everything going on, I think a lot of people have been quite independent this month. They're taking trades, not just my trades, they're taking their own trades, which is good. I like that. You know, like, my whole part of doing the mentorship was to get people to trade, you know, to get them to be confident enough to take their own trades, and that's what I'm seeing is happening. So that gives me a lot of, you know, happiness, you know. Because it's all fine and well copying someone, but if you can't take your own trades later on, then it's pretty fucking useless, right? If you just copy some guy's signals. But if you're actually learning, like properly learning, it's great. And that's why like, I'll just sit on, even if I'm not doing it, like, if I'm away and I'm like away with Caitlin or whatever, I'll always check the Telegram and tell her like, oh, what you know, how did everyone do this morning? Everyone's like, yeah, they took some good trades, you know, they're talking, discussing. That's what a whole mentorship group should be like. It should be a group of like-minded people who get on, who don't have any negativity, and also help each other, you know. That's perfect. So yeah, you look at a vibe of 19, 20, 100%, and then also 19 or 9.7. Beautiful. Yeah, totally agree. And yeah, that's how it should be. A group that helps like-minded people. And that's what we've got. So it's beautiful. Hugo's way is good for the US, honestly. Is it? Yeah, maybe. Blueberry has a slippage problem. It has no commission on gold, but when you place buy stops, it slips your position by 3 pips. Interesting.
Yeah, I've seen that happen to Don a lot.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I mean, I suppose I gotta pay for it some way. The slippage could be rough.
Oh my god, it's fucking moving.
Does IC have no slippage? Nah, it does. It does slip every so often, but I wouldn't say it's big. They all have slippage.
Goldie! Ooh.
Yeah, we'll push it. So obviously look at the 4 hour now, made the top wick, flipped, good stuff. It still is at that 4 hour support, so I'm not getting giddy yet, but looking good for the day. Morning, how do I join the Discord channel? I put the link here. Make sure to go to the server rules, and we'll get that up. Yeah, so make sure to go to this part here. So first of all, you won't have any of this stuff at the start. You got to go to server rules, which is there. Must read server rules, and then click this icon here. 890 people have not clicked this. They don't have anything. So make sure to click that. Then you get granted access in an actual member, like a verified member, like this person, and then you're good to go. But these people who are grey, they haven't been members. They haven't clicked that button yet. So make sure to read that. Just know your rules, and then yeah, get going. Post some charts in there. Good to know. I'm curious about the difference. Yeah. Nah, IC's good shit. Yeah, the spread. I've never had an issue with spread on IC, man. It's been A1 since the start. Oh my god, my skin is so bad, man. Fuck off.
Do you take zinc?
Yeah, I've got zinc, magnesium, but it's not even acne no more. I think I've either getting attacked by my immune system or something else. Cause like, man, I just came off these tablets again.
I had it very bad, and then I started taking 2 pills of zinc every morning. It's just gone. So I don't know who else has problems, but if you have like, I had back acne quite bad, and then started taking zinc like 2 pills a day, and within like a week, 2 weeks, everything was gone.
Yeah, mine's aggressive, and it's the same areas every time. It's not like different, and it's not acne. It's like proper underneath bumps, redness. Like it fucking kills. Like if I put my head on a pillow now, it hurts, but. Yeah, and then now it's itchy. You just want to fucking itch it all day, but that's not good, man. So you just have to leave it alone. It's a pain in the ass. I've had this for years now. Go to Jersey. I'll just get on. Mate, I already have Jersey. I've already been in Rakuten once. They were saying twice, but it's not. I know it's not acne no more. It's something else. Because it inflames the same parts of my head every time. It's not acne. You need an elimination diet, Max. Ooh.
Maybe it's something you eat. Maybe you're like lactose intolerant.
But the correlation is I got off these tablets because I was like, these tablets are giving me acid reflux really bad. Because they're strong, man. These tablets are fucking strong. Not Rakuten. It's called lime cycling, but they work. So I went off that. Yeah. Literally, I could feel it coming again. So it's alcohol. I've been drinking a lot recently, though. It was that one night for my birthday, but I haven't been drinking a lot recently.
I don't know what to think of gold at the moment.
You don't need to think about it. You know, when it gets to somewhere, what you gotta do. When it starts getting below here, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let me see where you got yourselves.
99.6. Yeah, there's a little bit of a support there before. I know that this start is when the clean zone starts. So. When I had my nightclub face was stuffed. When I sold the joint, didn't drink nearly as much cleared up at the zone. Yeah, man, drinking's not a vibe. It's so fun, like when you're on it and you kind of you don't really worry. Like it's good and it's good to have a bit of fun, but yeah, it's not good for the next days, man. Would you look for any sort of M formation at 1910? Not an M, no. M's have to be at highs and resistances where it supports. You might mean a W, I think. And yeah, maybe if it gets a nice W, rejects fake out zone. Yeah, I agree, Dusted. It's just the feeling of being hungover the next day. It's just the issue you have is just your personalities, right? Like I love loud music. I love dancing. Like, I love just having a good boogie, and you can't do that nowhere else apart from a night out. That's the only issue. Yeah, exactly. When it goes to like next few days, when it's like I've always had 2-day hangovers, like for the most part. It's nasty. 140 people, guys. Make sure you like the stream up on this beautiful Wednesday. Yeah. I need to do my my HelloFresh order. You guys help me pick my next HelloFresh order. Let's see. While we're waiting. See what I can maybe get. Choose the recipes. Alright, let's take a look. Let's take a look. So these are just like the random ones I put. Beef meatballs and red curd sauce. That looks unreal. Cheesy ratatouille pasta bake. That looks pretty peng. But these ones I don't like. I think this meat. Yeah, fuck this one. How do I get rid of this one? I can only do this on my phone. Sticky honey pork rice bowls, alright, but it's... I like getting the big meals made, the ones that take like 40 minutes to make, because they're just fire. What else could I have then? Chinese 5-spice duck. Oh! Spice lamb Kathy style rolls. That looks amazing. Oh, paella! I'm definitely getting that. How do I fucking add this, bro? I normally do it on my phone, but I don't know here. So okay, paella's one.
Paella.
Paella.
Is this all the whole? Whoa, you guys have so much to choose from, man.
Yeah, man, it's fucking sick.
That's not like, it's not the same year, to be honest.
It's fire, bro. Look at all this shit. And I tell you, they're all fire. Like every single one is fire. Cause it's
even you with your amazing cooking skills.
Mate, these come out fucking like a restaurant, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Do you not drink every weekend? No.
Drinking is not good for you.
Yeah, it's not a vibe. So 15-minute closed bearish. It closed. Yeah, it closed. You know, on this level. As I said, I don't really like this level because there's wicks. When there's wicks coming from the left hand side, it's just you gotta really be very certain of the push, because if you get into that rejection, you can be doomed. And yeah, the GJ buys later on are gonna be fine. So it's actually quite a simple day here. It's quite a simple day, easy day to follow. I like when the days are easy to follow. Makes it easy peasy lemon squeezy. So hopefully this next hourly, yeah, would close below, and the 4 hour would be breaking them lows. The daily candle low would be broken, and then we get the drive. Which actually, I've been wanting this push again below this 1913 level for a while. What's up, people? Hope you are having a productive week. Yes, sir. I've got the flat all by myself. Oh, the bed last night was beautiful. Max, I often see nowadays that price breaks a certain area for like 1 hour before pre-NY. Is it good to enter positions at that time, or shall we wait? Yeah, I think it's all fine. As long as the zone's good and the volume's there. Where's the Mrs. Gun? She's going to Portugal. Yeah. I think couples are meant to sleep in separate beds. Yeah, I snore as well apparently, and Caitlin fucking wakes me up. Man, the amount of times like she'd wake me up in the middle of the night and goes, "Max, move over there, stop snoring." I'm like, literally, bitch, shut the fuck up. I'm like, please fuck off.
People don't understand how snoring works. You just gotta break the rhythm. So
Well,
she
yeah,
just has to push you and not wake you up.
Yeah, she needs to push me. That's true. But it's quite hard when you're 93 kilograms.
Just fucking kick you and act like she's asleep. Like, whoa, what the fuck?
I can verify you
What's
snore
that?
like a fuck on. Fuck off, Ben.
Bro, my granddad, bro, we live in this big Portuguese house. Bro, you hear him snoring from the other side of the fucking thing. Hey, my grandma used to sleep with me because she didn't want to sleep there.
Lose some weight. Fuck off. I'm trying to lose some weight.
You definitely outrun me.
And definitely what?
Outrun me.
Yeah, I'm a good runner.
Yeah, I've
I'll
noticed.
do my weight. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym today later. I'm gonna do all my work, and then I'm gonna fucking rip the bong and go straight to the gym. Actually, Ollie,
Since you did it that once, now it's a thing.
yeah, man, like just having a bit
Focused, hitting every muscle fiber.
Yeah, bro, it's a mazza. It's so better. It's so much better. I'd come out of the gym like dead after. But it's actually nice. Yeah, bro. Like you gotta be focused for that. You gotta be ready. You gotta be like, right, I'm gonna bash this gym.
But you can't be too high because then you just think like everyone's looking at you.
Yeah. You can't be too. You just gotta have literally like a tiny little bit. Sounds like anxiety to me. I don't get anxious though. I'm not an anxious person. Yeah, you need to remember as well. It's down to you. Like I'm a guy who will wear, you know, as I said before, I'll go down with Caitlin's fucking love heart dressing gown to reception where everyone's, you know, I don't give a fuck. That's what my flatmate, not my flatmate, my next door neighbor said. He says, "You're the first guy that I've ever seen that just does not give a single shit." I'm like, yeah. I'm like, why? Like, you know, why do I need? It's not like in a nasty way. It's just like, you know, why do I care what I wear? You know, I don't give a fuck. I'm chilling, boy. I've always been like that. What gym you go to? I go to Valentine's. Yeah, it's good shit. It's a good gym. I mean, the actual gym equipment's meh. It's alright. It's just a gym, but the facilities are a vibe. Like the sauna. Isn't that a posh gaff? Well, it sounds posh, and I think there is posh Valentine's, but the one that I go to ain't that posh, and it's not even expensive, really. It's cheap as fuck. Some people there are paying £43 a month for a sauna, steam room, a hot tub, Olympic swimming pool, a gym, classes, weight machines that you can see your weight. It's fucking mad. That's a great price.
Where does the word posh come from?
I don't know. Actually.
You know what I mean?
Well, like the actual, like the
when I used to live in England, people used to say that. I thought they meant Porsche, like the car.
no, like
That was
posh,
like
just
high
like,
class.
well, it's like that as well, but it's just like some people are posh, you know. Some people have like two, like double barrel names and shit. They come from like a family that's normally have like being a king before, not a king, but like they've been close to
royalty.
the kings and royalty and shit. Yeah. But then also now, like people could say that you're posh, but actually you're just rich. Like I'll get a lot of, oh, you're posh, but like my mum and dad are from fucking Redcar. It's like the shittest place you've ever been to in your entire life. It definitely ain't posh. How much you benching, dog? Oh, I don't know actually. To be fair, the only issue that I'm gonna have with this golf is my shoulder, man. My shoulder is in agony. That's why I actually haven't been in the gym, because the swing like that is fucking hurting my rotator cuff pretty bad. GJ coming down.
A W on GJ.
Yeah, exactly. So for me here, you know, on GJ, as I said before, I'm being a little bit. My losing trades are coming from when I'm getting into sells when actually the structure's still bullish. Even when it comes down in this zone, it needs to break this low for me to look for sells. Because again, like it's kind of like what we did in the M formation last week. If you're, let's just say that you find an entry, let's say, and you take a sell somewhere here with stop loss above. If you look at the high time frames, all you're taking is a sell at a retest. When look at the daily's close bullish. You expect this next daily count to make a lower wick, reflip, push. Where would the reflip happen? Well, it would happen at the retest there, wouldn't it? So you know, it's going to be a difficult situation to get into sells there. So for me, sells would be like below this low because you're breaking the previous low of structure. However, the zone below is, you know, meh, right? If I just highlight this zone from here to here, what's actually gone on here? Well, we pushed down, but a lot of wicks, a lot of choppiness, a lot of wicks, a lot of choppiness. Very slow here at the end of the day. So it's just not an area I want to take advantage of, right? Remember, you need the clean zones. If you want to trade the normal way with a high win rate, with a very, very simple strategy, just find the clean zones and you'll be good. And leave the choppy zones. But GJ's been easy recently in terms of direction. It's been very simple. Obviously, I was a bit unfortunate with the 1 pip hits out twice in one day, but in terms of actual direction, it's been pretty simple to trade. You just gotta find the clean zone. And gold's all been about just trading the range, you know. If you wanted to be aggressive yesterday, if you actually just think about it, you know that price is ranging between there and there, right? So again, like I said in the outlook, I said M's here, W's here. Let's say that maybe a bit more aggressive, but you know, you're still looking for M's and W's in the zone. Okay, so first M was here in the morning. What day was this? On Tuesday? So yeah, I couldn't tell you this because I was fucking driving Caitlin, but There was an M there, which some people took advantage of there. You would have got a 1-to-1. Then there was an M, a bigger M there, which didn't close below. Closed below, and that was actually quite far from the neckline. But again, if you wanted to be aggressive, there's your entry. And then later on, obviously, we have this W. As I said, it hit the retest, so I actually couldn't take this one. But this sell here, again, another M. If you didn't care about the news, and looked at the 3-minute, you could have got an entry. Yeah, stop loss was 57 pips, but your TP would have, you would have got the 100 pip runner, and you might have got 50 pips there. So just trading that range, you could have had 3 trades yesterday, maybe 4 if you were being a bit ballsy on that W down here. Goldie coming down. Where's Elohe today? He's skiving. He is skiving. Ben, have you been grafting the gym, brother? Have you got your rig off? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Actually, Ben, you might not have seen the TikTok. You're on my TikTok. I made a video. I haven't updated in a while. Jesus Christ, where's all these fucking women on my screen?
Hello. I've decided.
And when I have this editor guy, I will be posting a lot more on here, which is good. But yeah, you're right.
Start a TikTok channel.
Gold is moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fucking hell.
So you look here now, right? The 4 hours broken the previous low. The daily candles broken previous low. You've got all the time frames with you. So a main thing to start off your trading journey is just taking trades where they're all in the same direction. It makes it so much easier. Daily bearish, you're breaking the lows. 4 hour bearish, breaking the lows. Hourly bearish, breaking the lows. 30-minute bearish, breaking the lows. 50-minute bearish, breaking the lows. You got all the time frames with you, so it makes life much easier. You ever go to gym but go to Dubai Sunday for a week? Oh wow, you moved it. Which hotel are you staying at? I'll give you some recommendations to go and do. We doing this or not? Um, 15 didn't close below my little area, but it closed below recent. So if you're ballsy enough, the zone below for me is big enough for me to probably wait for this 30 to close, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, you're not far. You're not far. Have you got a plan of what you're gonna do yet? Are you going by yourself? Is this next week? I'll come and join you. That'd be mad that I'll go Dubai, Malia, and then Miami. Who's coming to Dubai? One of my friends. So yeah, 50-minute didn't close below my zone is fine. Obviously, the zone below, this is why I'm not really asked. The zone below is huge, man. 70 something pips. With Bex? Oh my god. Yeah, make sure to go to the mall. Which one is it? The one that I liked. Well, they're both sick, but yeah. I'm definitely gonna come to Dubai soon. Probably the start of next year. Yeah, I might go for like a month and just trade there. Rex is at 1.7% this respect. Yeah, I actually think a lot. I think a lot of people in the group are up quite a significant amount in June. I know Dante's up. I think quite a good amount. Zero Gravity Beach Cup out there is a vibe. Yeah, I've heard of that one. I would just want to go Atlantis, mate. That's where I'd go. I love Atlantis. It's good shit. It's good vibes. It'll bring back so many memories of when I used to go. Or the Jumeirah Beach. I used to go to Jumeirah Beach. Back in the day. I love that. Whoever's from Dubai here. What's that place where, like, it's Jumeirah Beach and then there's another one next to it. Not obviously the Burj. It's like in a little thing, and you get like loads of boats there. And you can go on boats, and you go into like more of an area where you can. It's a bit more cultural. Like there's nice buildings and shit. I forgot what it's called. Trying to think of where it was called. Yes, this is Jumeirah Beach. This is where I stayed at. And there's one very close. So the Wild Wadi, I think it might have been this one. Al Nasim. Is it? I don't know. It's been a while. There's like nice boats you can take. No, not kayaks. It's like some guy you pay him and he kind of like he just you know, it's quite romantic. It's like a romantic one. Oh, Jumeirah Mina As-Salam. I think it might be that. Yeah, it is. Look at this. Yeah, this is it. This is romantic as hell, this bit. Get this boat. Just vibe around. A vibe. Dubai. Yeah, Dubai Old Town. Yeah. 90% of Forex traders losing money, bruh. Yes, sir. I wouldn't say 90, I'd say like, what is it, 77 or something? But it only comes from two things, man. Over risk and over trading, that's all it is. That's all it comes from. So just bouncing off my level there, it's nice. I've got a little zone there. Hopefully in 9 minutes time we then get the closure. And then we'll be good to go. Obviously the 30 is still open. Still is a bit of 30-minute support there. So that's why I wanted it a little bit lower. And I looked to the left hand side to see when it actually pushed. And it was, yeah, below 1909.6 or 7. And GJ still do nothing, right? Just ranging, consolidating right now. That's all it is. 181 people, 47 likes already. Amazing stuff. Amazing. Yeah, if I went to like Dubai for a month though, my only thing is the Wi-Fi. I want the Wi-Fi to be very good. in like a hotel, so I can just stream. I can stream on YouTube, you know. So it wouldn't make no difference. Yeah, news today. Yeah, there's nothing this morning, which is fine. Great news. I saw something like HSBC or something with Bitcoin. They're like letting them people buy it with them. That's interesting. Having 2 protein shakes a day is making me dead. Oh my god. Yeah, I think after my after the simulation, I'm gonna make one HelloFresh, I think.
Hey Max.
Hello?
Okay, so I'm trying to connect my laptop to this screen, which is like proper long. So it's like it's longer than usual. But when I connect it, it's now filling the whole screen. It's just on the because it's long. It's a longer display than usual.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How do I?
What? Isn't you feeling like half the screen or like a bit of it?
Yeah, I'm feeling like the middle part of it, and not the actual screen itself.
Oh.
Oh no, I have it now. I got it. Yeah, finally.
Wicked. And there we go, man. Nice drawing your zones perfectly. You get the reaction like off like that. I love that. When that happens, it's like, oh, my zones are too clean, boy. And that is the main thing. As long as you get your zones right, your zones will help you significantly. Okay? And that's why in our group we do a lot of homework. You know, the homeworks help out a lot. Because that's the whole point of the homeworks. Obviously the recent ones have been M's and W's, but the past ones on the G drive are really good for that kind of stuff. So if you just bring up like any homework, all I give you is a plain slate and tell me where you want to take buys,
50-minute time frame.
where you want to take sells.
Where could we potentially look for trades? Well, you just do it all the way back up, so that's pretty good for buy. Situation will be probably up to this resistance here. That'll be a closure back in the zone.
So once you start being able to mark your zones out and where you want to take trades, it gets away all of the noise, I'd say. All of the noise that you just don't need. You're just waiting for them zones to break. And then when you get the break, it's all about just getting in with decent stops. Max, yesterday you wrote to Dawn that you're going to Florida, is that correct? Yes, I think I'm going to come. Yeah, man. I feel I haven't really met many friends in the industry, but Don's definitely one, and Wixie, you know, they got good vibes. They're not like, you know, flexy or, you know, they're just cool dudes. I think I resonate with them, so I think it'll be nice to meet some people. Even like on the, as I said when I spoke to him, when I spoke to Don, like it's nice to speak to someone in the same industry as you and someone who isn't a cunt in the industry. Let's just say that. You know what I mean? Like it's not like just a casual non-flexy M4 BMW. Yeah, but it's not. It's not. You know, it's a new car. He's chilling. Like he's not flexing everywhere. Whatever. Trust you, when I get my car upgrade, I'll be posting it. But I mean, like, the marketing side of it, like, come on, guys, make sure you join this. We're up this much. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, we're so good. We're smashing the market today. Like, oh, shut the fuck up. So, coming towards 8 o'clock already. Fucking hell, it's 8 o'clock already. Jesus Christ, that went quick. But again, as I say, when the zone's big enough, you know, you don't need to worry about getting in at the, you know, the complete pinnacle of your entry. You know, you can chill out. I'd rather get in late and just get the drive than getting in early and fucking around a little bit. That's actually a red flag, yeah. Well, it's just how people want to present themselves, but I think my whole brand and like the way like I want to be known as is like the fun guy, you know, have a good crack, doesn't take himself too seriously. Got a great community of like-minded people, and we all have a good laugh, you know. Like I get rinsed on a daily basis by Brian, but and other people as well. But I enjoy it, you know. I think it's fun.
It's part of culture.
Yeah, man.
Bro, to be honest with you, my so the friends I have in England, we used to, because I didn't live in there anymore, we used to game together. And bro, the things that used to be said between us, bro, I could go prison, and they would definitely go prison. Definitely. That's not okay. Like there was some verbal abuse, man.
Yep.
But I think that's good for you, man. Unless you become like you become not used to it, man.
Yeah, it's funny though, like, cause, like for example, like Caitlin will sometimes give me advice. She'd be like, Max, you can't say that on live, or Max, you're being a bit too like, you know, you need to be more formal and more professional. I go, yeah, but like that's not my brand, man. I've never been that good. Good old COD back in the day, yeah. Modern Warfare 2 lobbies.
Bro.
Oh god.
I can't even I wanted to say some of the things I was saying, but I can't even say it. It's that bad.
Yeah. Me and Ben, actually Ben in the chat here, we used to bash games like that. Me and Ben especially, we used to always fucking get into the ripping each other. Back in the day. That's the guy, Ben Wilson, the guy in the chat. That's the guy I used to play Destiny with a lot. Fucking bashed it.
What do you think of maybe a W farming on gold?
Yeah. If it gives me one, maybe later on. So 3-minute candle closed, didn't close below. So yeah, we gotta wait. You could maybe. The hourly didn't close below as well. So yeah, you can maybe look for it. My only issue is it's not like, do you know what, like here we're looking for W's, right? Looking for W's here. You know, it was just in a range, whereas now the higher time frames, even though we didn't close below, you know, that 4 hours looking pretty juicy for a sell. So I'm not worried. I'm not thinking too much about a W yet, but we'll see. When is the photo trip? Are you all teaching? Yeah, I'm just gonna talk a little bit, but it's just Don's boot camp thing. But yeah, I'm just gonna come with vibe.
Steal his students. Hey, bro, come over here, man. We're doing a lot better.
King is looking for buys. Kingy boy. What, on gold? If this 1 hour test 9:14 before the 5th, then I'll place a sell stop. I'm hungry this morning. God damn. I'm normally not that hungry in the morning, but today I'm feeling it, man. It's coffee time. Yes. I just bought. Well, Caitlin just bought me a Nespresso machine, and it's good shit. I think I'm turning into a real man. I'm getting like double espressos and shit. I'm not fucking with the stupid milk making ones. I'm just drinking it hard and strong. On the 15, it closed below. Yeah, it's whatever.
I'm waiting for a below 1909. We're nowhere near that yet. We're still fucking around at this little area. And GJ not doing too much. Right, candles just ranging. Candles printing bullish, bearish, not moving in any direction. Okay. Such a masculine man, that. So, I'm good. Made the top wick there. Very good, very nice, very good, very nice. So obviously if this 4 hour closes bearish below later on, then yeah, the sells will still be good. The only thing you got to worry about later on is again the news at 2:30. It's not just US, it's pound and it's Japan. So pretty big news. Would you consider a 5-minute closure below? No. I'll wait for 15:30. I will wait for that. Right, I'll be 2 minutes, guys. Just quickly go to the toilet. And GJ coming back above the 50% level again.
4 hours hasn't broken previous high yet, but yeah, still waiting for that buy above 380. Potential W on gold. Yeah, I'm still not happy with it. What was your best month ever? I think it might have been April last month. Last year, 37%. But then December was quite good as well. I think December might have been the same as well. Maybe a little bit more. I remember being on holiday in Tenerife and I was just bashing the trades in the fucking sunbed. It was great. Gold was easy that month. Actually, not a fan of this W. Not really, to be honest with you, mate. I don't know why I'm not. I'm just not. I think it's just a little bit further below than I'd want. But I mean, the hourly, in terms of actual a 5-minute W, it works. So, and it is at a 30-minute level. So yeah, you could do a minute left for the closure. Would this be a 15 celery on gold? Oh, if it broke that low? Yeah. Gold is too bearish to take that chance and it closed below yesterday's low. Yeah, and it's broken previous daily low. So it's just a little bit too bearish for my liking. But we'll see. We'll see how it works. There is a W. And it is at 30-minute support, so that's fine. But yeah, if I just look at the hourly here, the hourly's closed very strongly bearish. It's got 50 minutes left. This could just be making the top wick. Well, it very, very much is going to be probably making the top wick, just retesting the levels just broken out of, reflip, and then you're going to be doomed. So for me, it's just, yeah, it's a bit too bearish for me to take it. Oh. So how big would your stops be here? 23 pips. Take 610 would be target. I'd probably just close full there, to be honest, because we're at the highs. See here, the 4 hours is about to has broken the previous 4-hour high. The daily has made its lower wick. So yeah, if you can get a closure above there, I can't see why you wouldn't take that buy. I think longs are risky in GJ. Why, my man? Let's have some discussion. Yeah, I was thinking that, Harry.
The issue is obviously it is at res, and it still hasn't closed above, so it's a bit too close to res, you know. If you think about the W formation, you'll be getting in what nearly now, right? That's quite high. It's right next to this res. I wouldn't want to be taking a buy there. I need to wait for it to close above. That's my only issue. You taking gold? What, W? It hasn't closed above yet. Do you know that? This next count needs to close above. Stop loss above, and then TP will be there. Oh, you're talking about gold. Yeah, I know what you mean, Harry, but I just see this 30-minute reflipping and screwing everyone over with the buys at the moment. It's too bearish for me. Yeah, that's why you're waiting for a closure. A minute left, looking like it ain't gonna close. Why? Well, because there's resistance there. That's why we need the closure above. We need this candle to close above 380. Then the next one should make a low wick, flip, and then push like that. If it doesn't do that, it doesn't close, then there's no entry. And we're back in the zone. Did anyone see the new Flash movie? I still haven't seen it yet. Apparently the ratings were shit. How was it? Why did they go back to the old ways, DC, man? Come on. Your past recent movies have been good. Why do they keep on just adding so many? Why do they keep on just adding so many characters? Just fucking chill.
They're trying to hit like a jackpot. Like,
But they've done that.
they're
They've done that. They've tried to do that like fucking 8 times recently. Like they've tried to do the Suicide Squad, Justice League. There's too many of them, man. I'd rather you focus on like a couple of them and make a good fucking story. It's so boring. Like for example, the new Batman and the new Joker were sick. They were great films. They were proper filmed. It was no pissing around with these just characters flying around the sky that are massive characters. Make it a movie that's based on them, and then later on do what you can maybe do like what Marvel did. You know, make it a full cinematic. But don't just do it in the first fucking movie. No one knows their storylines. No one cares about them because you haven't seen any movies with them yet. Like, come on. I don't know how these people like get jobs, man. Like, what the fuck? It's so stupid.
Maybe that's what you should be doing, not trading.
There's Robot Head. Done it yet? Let's take a look. Yeah, he didn't like this new Spider-Verse one. I fell asleep in it, I'm not gonna lie, but that's because of other reasons. So 13 minutes left. That W never closes in Goldie. That's fine. So 30 minutes left of this 30. Looks good, man. Looks good if we can get there.
Wait, is Ollie in here?
I'm in on GJ.
Wait, what? Oh shit.
The re-break of the high. That 5-minute was just a retest. So I have my stop loss below where that 5-minute retrace it to. Just impulse entry, to be honest.
Yeah.
See if it works out.
Just chilling. It's just warming up. Good morning, Van. Hope you're doing well. Matthew, you're alive? Yes. Yesterday, I did actually put on the stream yesterday, 28th of June. It's just no one saw. But it said it was scheduled for 27th, so I forgot to change that. Still look at these buys on GJ. If it closes above, but it didn't close above, so. Not yet, brother.
Okay, I'm gonna go drive to work real quick.
Veggies.
My charger there. Maybe I'll just stay in the Zoom, to be honest.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
See you later, my man. See you later, alligator. Right, I'm sick of this little fight. Let me have a little break. I like this new album that Essential C and Dave have done as a vibe. Like this one. I'll do 2 of these songs. Okay.
She don't listen to UK rap.
If it ain't Dave or Sench.
She a 6 but a friend is a 4. A freeway gonna make that 10. Are you sure you wanna make that wife? We know her since way back when. If it's a Rose, then it gotta be a Cullen and G6 free if Mercedes. White selection of gala we got right now. Go broke and watch them all leave us. I can't give her home my jumper. She'll go home and put it on deeper. I'm in the car with my girl and my guy call me. I'm like, bro, you're on speaker. Toxic relationship with my bitch. One day we're split, now we're going Antigua. 3 man jump out the 4-door vehicle. It's a miracle if a boy don't get touched. Don't step on our block and trespass. Gotta check in and apply for a Esther. Young G came to the Dragons Den. He won a 9 bar and he needed investor. Uber Lux with a foot inside. She ain't coming to fuck, there's a key in the S-Class. Alright, I come a long way from a Vespa. When I put foot on the gas, wanna hear it rip, now I don't want a Tesla. Come a long way from giving out testers, crackhead itching like he got eczema. Remember, I tried to do fraud on my metro. I got blacklisted like Skepta. Peculiar mixture, in a Pyrex like Nesquik. Been living a movie since Blockbusters, way before Netflix. I just made a play for a MS 11 AM, I ain't even had breakfast. She only listened to rap.
Oh yeah, when I was driving yesterday, man, I watched the Joe Rogan podcast with Theo Von. I absolutely love Theo Von. He's hilarious. Them two get on so well as well. Where was it? It was quite recent, I think. Yeah, this one. Can you actually see the video on this now? Yeah.
What they thought was like a sane alternative to what President Trump was.
Yeah.
About feet up in the air, whack. He offers me 2 different pain medicine.
I was upset.
How long ago?
I fucking love Theo. Even the way he looks, like he's just a G. He went on holiday by himself, bless him. If it ain't Dave or Cinch. Go back to that. Fuck off. See, I get distracted so easily.
He won a 9 bar and he needed investor. Uber Lux with a foot inside. She ain't coming to fuck, there's a key in the S-Class. Alright, I come a long way from a Vespa.
GJ closed above on the 5, yeah. Not on the 15 or 30 though.
Giving out testers, crackhead itching like he got eczema. Remember, I tried to do fraud on my metro. I got blacklisted like Skepta.
When we're looking for just clean zones, yeah, we're at 15 and 30s.
Been living a movie since Blockbusters, way before Netflix. I just made a play for a MS 11 AM, I ain't even had breakfast. She only listened to rap caviar. She in her car playing hella Americans.
She don't listen to UK rap. If it ain't Dave or Cinch. She a 6 but a friend is a 4. A freeway gonna make that 10. Are you sure you wanna make that wife? We know her from way back when. If it's a Rose, then it's gotta be a Cullen and G63 if Mercedes Benz. Missing person. parents think he's a runaway. The man them think I'm tattooed with the same car in a different colorway. Can't turn no hoe to a housewife more time, just do it the other way. If I ask her to send me a foot picture, she'll think I'm a weirdo. Back then, man, do a robbery, tell a civilian, don't be a hero. She got curved like Andrea Pirlo. I know a chick that will get into character, lie man up while she nibble his earlobe. Nokia 910, this phone come like the splits on distro. Me and bro like Skep and Frisco, disco free man, hop out the rental. No need for the drum and bass, cool bay if you wanna see rude or mental. I feel like I'm Tony Soprano, gold tips in a black beater. It's a man eater like Nelly for feel like I'm Nelly for Tardo. Pay him 100 grand in the Sunderland like I'm at Diallo. Try come back from this one. My girl got a job.
What, the 4 hour? It was based on the 4 hour, wasn't it? 4 hour top wick flip, fill the zone. Yeah, it was alright.
She don't listen to UK rap.
It was all good.
If it ain't Dave or Cinch, she a 6 but her friend is a 4. A freeway gonna make that 10. Are you sure you wanna make that wife? We know her since way back when. If it's a Rose, then it gotta be a Cullinan G63 if Mercedes
Benz. Yeah, it's still not close, with not much of a bottom wick here as well. So yeah, for me, I'll need to wait for a proper closure. I think this gold's gonna get here. Come on, boy. Did you catch any trades yesterday? No, I couldn't trade in the morning, and then NY was okay. It started moving with the news at 3 o'clock. Again, though, right? I stayed on a little bit later yesterday because normally the moves are coming later on. I finished the stream like 2:55, like 5 minutes before the news, and yeah, 2:55 was here. Literally didn't really do much here, and then it yeah, pushed.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick but she wanna get thin again, drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim cause she wanna be Kim and them. Alright, I know they are bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions.
Boom,
My
boom,
could
boom,
have been
boom.
in a Tokyo drift car.
Fast and Furious went for a year to Euros.
They had their chance but
Blew
blew
it.
it. Now this gal want me and her uterus. Fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life for squinting.
Can't just do it.
We're bay through thick and
Come on,
thin.
Goldie.
She already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad.
Gonna change my mind, I was halfway there.
100 meters.
I just put 9 gun on a sprinter.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV.
SOS.
Somebody rescue me, I got too many, I got.
The last of the next 2 weeks.
Alright, let's send the address through, please.
SUV.
The outside white, the inside brown like Michael Jack. Multi-9 with a line and trap. Going like Max Tap.
Pistol came on an Irish ferry, let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I ball, no yellow, the rap.
Give me a black card.
Who did what we're doing with rap? Man couldn't sell out his show after all
Damn,
them years of
damn.
doing the cat.
Sprinter, 2 random event. 2 random Milan, her one of my things.
P Diddy need 20% or whatever she bags.
So,
Hands.
I told her my name
yeah,
is
stuff would be like
She said,
19
"No,
to
don't want her
12.4.
Your boyfriend ran from that diamond test cause they weren't legitimate. She Turkish Cypriot, but her car's Brazilian. I want her. My bro wants her affiliate. I'm cheap,
So,
still hit a chick like yo, can I borrow your Netflix? She a feminist, she think I'm sexist. Twisting my words, I think she dyslexic. Give me my
So where would the
something
first
to the
target be?
Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amit.
Well, break even would definitely be there, that wick.
Dinner table, I got manners.
T-shirt tucked in napkin.
Still loading, that's the caption. I've only amounted a minimal fraction. Eat good, I got indigestion. There's snow in my hood, no aspirin. Can't get rid of my pain with aspirin. Dave just came in at Aston, I'm making that Maybach music. They're trying to insult my intelligence, sometimes I may act stupid. I never went uni, I've been on a campus selling cocaine to students. If bro let the drumstick beat, then something gon' leak, we ain't playing exclusives.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life for squinting. Can't just stare. We're bay through thick and thin. She already fixed, so I'm halfway there.
Brown and bet. Can I change my mind? I was halfway there. TP1 would be there, little minor supports there, you can see.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV. No.
SOS.
Somebody rescue me, I got too many, I got. They can last me the next 2 weeks. Alright, let's send the address through, please.
Fire for a
White
white
beat girl can't rock with that. I am wearing a vest.
might have to send her therapy.
She got the ego part a lot on her chest.
I'm in Jamaica.
Haha, Dave is so fire.
Converters that don't work is porno chess. I'm doing more and talking less. I love chilling with
Broke bitches, man, but one flat and they're all impressed. I'm in the G63.
The car hugged me like a friend through twists and turns. Man living for Nyash and dying for Nyash is fuck. Don't know which one's worse. I'm fucked. Bags in his and hers. What's hers is hers. What's mine is too. Heard that girl was a gold digger. It
Can't be true, she date a Jew. AP baby blue.
papers pink.
I probably hate me too. You ever sent 6 figures and said that feel like, look what you made me do. I have 904's first target. Very nice. Yeah. It'll be good. Boy, gonna get to the clubs and days inside. Oh! That's such a fire song, bro. Fire song. Fire.
Oh, look, I was eating beans out the tin, nice avocado. I'm in Cape Town, Rooftowne, playing I'm a piano. They've got 9 in a sprint, I'm trying to pack the piano. I park wherever I want, like fuck a ticket inspector. I'm your typical rapper, fuck. Yeah.
Damn. Oh yeah, the Gumball edit should be out maybe by Friday or Saturday. Today. This week. Yes, sir. I'll be doing that today. We in, or are you just planning right now? I just stepped away. Yeah, we're still waiting for a closure below. Rigatoni with the pesto. These verses are my manifesto.
Casual sex, I'm like fuck a dress code. The first martini is an espresso. Chill shot glasses with prosecco. Niggas so ignorant in our hood, they be like, why the fuck you making techno? I'm worldwide and this is just another cargo jet flow. I had to let go. Life insurance.
Stops with previous 15. I would do previous 30, but you could do 15 if you wanted to be a bit more ballsy.
I'm back tomorrow. I had to chop it to a wedding out in Monaco or Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
I'm losing track of where we all go.
Could use maybe 15.
59 bags on
That'd shorten your stuff quite a bit.
heavy cargo. Yeah. 59 bags. Hey. Swedish jail cells.
You're looking at GJ2. It's kind of already pushed. 5 was the one. But for me, I can't really get into that. Already pushed up quite a lot here, my man. Yeah. The little IC is at 560. We've nearly touched that.
I mean, these just my suggestions, of course. I'm right here fresh off divorce, and I'm trying to look in her eyes, maybe express my remorse. If she wanna rebound with me, I'm down to go get her some boards. I'm here for the moral support.
Whipping the Vespa off the set.
Killers, Big Benjamins, like the Pittsburgh Steelers. Drake, you got it. Robert Kraft sent the jet for us. That shit was patriotic.
What was the one? Oh, the couch. Yeah, Martin Sofa. Martin Sofa.
Might be the only teacher that gets paid enough. That's why I'm in Hyde Park buying like half a hairs. You niggas are too concerned with making sure your outfits gon' match in pairs. If we don't like you, you paying tax and tariffs. Come to the 6 and I'm like the acting sheriff. Deputy, first got to America, niggas wouldn't check for me. No chance the kid'll make it here like
So,
they underestimated my
trajectory. So now, obviously, the 30 minutes closed is closed bearish. It has actually closed bearish below. So people who want to get in, I can see that. You know, the 30 minute has closed below. Let me just scroll to the left. Yeah, so for me here, there's still a lot of rejection, a lot of support there. So I'm still waiting, you know. Yeah. You can see here we held. Look at these wicks. A lot of rejection there. If I go a little bit further, if I put that green line there, yeah, probably close maybe a little bit below it. Let's take a look. Yeah, so you know, I can see maybe how you want to get in on the 30 there. There we go. There's a target for GJ. So the W would have been alright there. It's just, yeah, a little bit of at the res, but the W would have worked.
The fuck would y'all really do without me? For your birthday, your man got a table at Hibachi. Last time I ate there, Wayne was doing numbers off the cup like Yahtzee, and Paris Hilton was steady ducking the paparazzi.
Max sells on gold off the rip. Yeah, normally if I get the closure, it's just off the rip. Make a little top wick and then just get in. Yeah. I'd rather be in than not in, let's just say that. So I don't really care too much. As long as the top wick's decent and the stop is safe, you know, this one here is pretty safe up here. 90, 12 back above this level. Or near this level. There's Kiko. Beautiful work, Kiko. Took the 5 minute. Amazing. Bosh. That is a lebosh.
$1 million spot. Ask the motherfuckers I see them be played. Middle of the ocean. Just like that. All dark, fresh green water. Land that thing. With about 100 hoes. We up and we living like that, boy. Fresh fly, fresh like, you understand me? Like,
You heard of Bando Keys, one with heady rivals? Oh, I don't know if I have. Recognize the name though. Bando Keys.
we look down and we'll be down, but we stay in up. And we rise up and we stay on them. Big water, ocean.
So yeah, this little like bit here is just from patience and knowing that. I mean, what you could do if you wanted to get in aggressively is wait for the 5 minutes to close below, and then that'd be kind of like a Don trade, stop loss above. Because you know, when you look to the left, we did see that there is still, if you look at where price is right now, still a couple wicks which I don't want to be involved in. I want the drive and only the drive. Fucking how far ago? Yeah, you can see. So just waiting a little bit lower. Got straight out of Martin so far. Did my first show I just went to promoter. Where's Calm effects in this building? Calm, you need to get on, bro. What you been doing? You've been popping off recently, man. You be going pa 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 pam. Hey, when the chatting's over, you know, and up a Martin so far. Tempting Yola, I'm in a bando, there's no California. I play ping pong. Mate, just play in the range, man. When it ranges, just play the fucking range, man. Every day these guys just get more stupid. So nearly breaking hourly lows. If you wanted to be aggressive, you could get the hourly break of the lows. Is 9 minutes left, so. And as long as you're happy with this stop above. It's 25 pips to be fair, it's not bad. 25 pips in the break of the low, I'm thinking about maybe taking this. I just want it below that fucking wick, man. How long we got left? 9 minutes for the 15. Yeah, it's hard. I think if it breaks that low, you might be missing it, but we'll see. I kind of want to wait for this 15 to close. So we'll wait and see. Because then when the 15 closes below, you've passed them wicks, and then the only thing you've got is the zone. Meet me on my sofa. GJ rejection, ouch. Yep, just tap that level. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me if one of our members has taken this. tap the order block or whatever you fucking call it. Stop loss above it. 10 pips stop. You're up like 25, 26 now. Whoa, what is that? Some guy's in his controlling something over here. Huge bosh. That's a labosh. Yeah, that GJ rejection was big, eh?
We've lost dancing. This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing. All these things that we took for granted.
I caught the rejection retest of the M. Oh, very nice. Yeah, beautiful rejection. That amazing. Has it even broken the hourly low yet? No, it hasn't. Nearly, but not yet. Do, 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 do. 5 minutes left.
This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing.
Oh, back.
Hugs with friends and people that we loved. All these things that we took for granted. We've lost dancing. We've lost dancing. If I can live through, we've lost dancing. Next 6 months.
Brian, dirty man,
Day by day.
dirty boy.
If I can live through this.
Oh, fire trade.
Next
Look at that.
will be
Two fire.
marvelous.
Does Brian call out these trades before taking them? No. If you ask him while it's going on, he'll say, but no. He doesn't need to, man. That's not his job. But yeah, we all discuss it as a group in the chat all the time. Last dance, last dance.
comes next will be marvelous.
Goldie push little fella. So yeah, I'm probably gonna rock previous 30-minute stops, only 26 pips. Actually, I could use previous 15 there. Yeah, I could use previous 15 to be fair. 1911.65. We gon' make it. Oh, we're holding the support. Watch it reject and don't close below. Yeah. That's why you gotta wait for it. But now it has broken, yeah, everything, which is good, but yeah, it's still not there yet. GJ is wildin'. Yeah, didn't close above. Sorry, didn't close below. It closed above. So gonna wait for this 30 to close. So you can see it is a waiting game, but it means you don't get into trade when it's not ready yet. That is the beauty of it. When it's just not ready to cook yet. Let him cook. Let him cook. That's what I say on Goldie. Let him cook. This kind of setup is very, very, very similar to most setups that I take on gold for NY. When it's about to break a zone, I always try and pick the right point, because a lot of the times, especially like 2 o'clock will sorry, like 1:30 will push down, 2 o'clock will rip up, and then 2:30 will drive. So there's no point getting in early. You just got to get the drive. Seems to make a good W. Yeah, I mean, if this candle here closes above, I'm going to take the W 100%, because we've rejected it numerous times. The hourly will be rejecting, the 30-minute will be rejecting, 50 minutes closing bullish, so I don't see why you couldn't take the buy there. And you also have a good target, which is this order block there. Price loves to go and tap these order blocks, which is obviously 50 pips away or whatever, so that's good. GJ's done the move, man. It pushed up. I wanted to buy above here, closure. Gave it on the 5-minute. Was also maybe a little bit of a W there as well. It was nice if you could get in.
63 likes, guys. Amazing work today. Make sure to like the stream if you guys haven't already. On this beautiful Wednesday morning. So yeah, we did M&W Feb. We just need to do March now, which we'll do today. So breaking previous 15-minute highs as well, so sign that it is holding. So yeah, for people that are new, yeah, we take a lot of support holdings with W formation. So if this push up will close above this, I'll take a buy there, stop loss there, and I'll ride it to there. I'll try to ride it till there. I also like how this was a spontaneous push down, because normally you get a spontaneous push back up. So if you can get into that on the lower time frames, you can be in quite a good trade. So you see as well, like I keep my options open for both buys and sells. You know, I know that the zone below is good, but at the moment we're still holding it. And if you want to come back above into the zone and go retest and back into this range, you can also do that. So I'm happy both ways. You know, as long as I've got a support next to me, which I do. Then you know, we're good. 10 minutes left for this thing, so it'll be quite interesting to see if this closes below. Then yeah, the W's could be quite hard, but if it closes, you know, above holding this support, then yeah, the W could be nice. So yeah, just waiting until we get that closure either below or above, and then we'll be good. I'm gonna quickly go fill up my coffee. 5 minutes left. We might see some serious volume in 5 minutes. Be prepared. Yes, I hope so. I hope so. Closed below, but it was very near hourly support and made a W. EJ. Not shabby. Yeah, this is holding, bro. I think this W is gonna come. To be honest. Is the W gonna come? Yeah, I'd say that's like a lower one, for sure. Beautiful. We getting in here? Yeah, in a minute's time. She needs to close above this area here. Minute bullish, hourly gonna close bullish. Looks good. Stop below that wick down, yeah, stop loss there. So it didn't close above yet, so we've got to wait. I'm kind of happy about that. I don't like the first 5 minutes of the hourly because it can be quite aggressive.
So that's fine. 30-minute though closed bullish above, hourly closed bullish. So actually, let's make that less big. Yeah, Toby. Yeah. So yeah, I think we're gonna get a trade in gold either for the sells below if you close below again on the next 30-minute, or buys if we reject this low, reflip, break the high, and close above. I wouldn't mind if this pushes just a little bit further below, like here again, because that's making the hourly low wick. If it rejects again and closes above, man, we're gonna be good.
What's up, team?
Hello, hello.
What's up? I stay alive.
You drove a lot yesterday, eh?
Oh my god, man. Today I drive, I sleep like a rock.
You're tired.
But I buy gold yesterday. I'm closing the night for 400 pips.
Yeah,
40 pips, 40 pips, 40 pips.
You got by at
I
1921.
buy in 11.
Oh, 11. Oh, last
Yeah.
night. Last night.
Yeah, yesterday. Yeah, afternoon.
11.
When I drive and I close, I buy a lot and I close $400.
Nice.
What do you guys do? You guys want to buy gold or
Yeah.
want to sell? You know?
Buy in 2 minutes time, probably.
Yeah.
Need a closure above here, and then we'll be good. Is it a buy stop max? No, it'll be a manual enter.
What do you want to put the stop? Like 1110?
No, 1909.2 or 1909.1.
God, you stay hangover.
You hungover again?
I'm hangover all week, bro. All week.
Celebrating your birthday, bro. This is what I'm saying. This is what my month was like as well.
Yeah, I am like a gypsy, you know. When you make a birthday, you for 1 week.
Where's TP? TP is here.
But we make a lot of profit this vacation.
Look, you always make profit, bro.
Yeah, man, I can't believe it. Good mom, my mom. June.
You're doing great, man.
He go to 909. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Now go back to the top again.
Yep.
Yeah, this go. Jeez, this go. How you doing, Max? Good?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good.
Oh, nothing more better than go back home. I miss my bed. Fucking bed. And Kiko downtown. Oh my god. And Kiko downtown. You need to leave. If you don't leave, you be like a phoenix. We need to go up there. You wanna like it? Too many English guys.
What? Where Kiko's from?
Yeah. Very expensive.
Well, I bet. You posh boy.
So it still hasn't closed above. You have to wait for the next one. GG's going to drop down like hell when it does drop. Ooh, look at that. Damn. Little bit of an M there. But yeah, I wanted the buys above here. They worked out nice. Could have maybe have got the W. Maybe. Ooh, King Abe just got in them GJ buys before. Slept him. I think King Abe's been kind of struggling with London, definitely London session this month. He's been taking like one win and one L straight away. So yeah, this is what I'm wanting. Like this next candle to close bullish above like that. Next candle, low wick, get in here, stop loss below there. Target. Yeah. But you have to wait for closure, even on the 5-minute, man. Gotta wait. It'll save you over the long run, I tell you that. So obviously if this 30-minute closes in 20 minutes time below bearish, I'm 100% taking the sells. So I'm just chilling here, you know. No need to rush in. Just gotta wait. That is the biggest lesson I learned from Raja, really. Just waiting for the right time. So funny when you're doing like signals like this, especially when you're kind of happy with both sells and buys. As price comes like to more of a sell or a buy, you have to fucking change the whole thing again. That's good rejection, that though. So this would be the 30-minute celery, 50-minute bearish closure below. So yeah. This is going to be the first 5-minute closure below. Man, the celery looks juicy, you know. The celery looks juicy.
You guys take it?
I might try and get into the celery, yeah. Yeah. I've got a sell stop below on the celery. So, sell stop here. It's also going to be the 5-minute first closure below. The rejection is what I like up here, okay? So I've got celery at 190915 is going to be my entry. Not in yet, hasn't broken it. Stop loss is going to be above here, 11.8. Okay, I'm in. Sorry, let me just get rid of this now because we're in. Oh fuck.
Are you guys seller?
Yes, sir.
No one, I think.
Fair dues, my man. If it's not in your comfort level, you leave it alone. What you gotta do.
Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Go 9004.
Wagwan Puyo.
Oh, the
Que lo
Phoenix,
que, chulo, que lo que.
the Phoenix boy.
Who saw my GG trade? I know some people doubted me.
Man, GJ is for crazy people.
It's good for you then, Lohe.
Look at my hair, man. I don't take a shower for a week. I think so.
To be honest with you, I didn't even look at this trade. I
I
just
wanna
got in
leave,
because
I
you got
wanna
it.
leave the kids to the school.
Yeah, it's 30-minute celery, hourly break, rebreak of the lows, 4-hour bearish, daily bearish, 5-minute close below.
Max, you don't think this ball is a little trap?
It could be.
Can be.
It's the break of the lows. It's an impulsive entry, but we will see. With the rejection from up here, especially the range and the 5-minute closure below, I thought there's more chance of me missing this trade than I was for waiting for the closure. So that's why I'm in. But that is quite a big retracement. 5-minute close below. 15 is going to close in a minute's time. If you're not in yet, you can wait for the 15. 5-minute broken, no bottom wick. Yeah, I'm not really asked about no bottom wick, especially in the 5 minutes. You know, 15:30 I get, but the 5 minutes shows there's a lot of bearish volume pushing in. I wasn't too asked about that.
The 15-minute doesn't close below, I'm closing it. It's also the 5 just retesting, right?
Yeah.
Close below.
Yeah. So I'm happy. It closed below. So now I'd be in this trade anyway, just maybe a little bit higher up.
And it closed at my 15 level to the left, which is 1909.818. Now if I lose you, I don't care.
Yeah, exactly. Now I've got the closure, I don't give a fuck. You know, this should drive. Now we got the closure, we should just drive.
With this fucking long screen, this shit's insane. I can have my MetaTrader, my fucking work on the one side. Okay, taking trades, booking invoices. Come on, man, life's good, man. Have you ever seen that video of, bro, I'm playing Fortnite, I got an iPhone. Life's amazing, you know?
Playing Fortnite.
I got pizza rolls in the oven. Come on, man.
So the way I would manage this is if we got a closure back above. If we get a closure back above, I'm getting out. Like on the 15.
Maybe a jump.
Maybe you get the break of the low. Just so you get that drive. Hey Max, is it normal for the markets to be slow during the summer? Yeah, it tends to be. Overall, I'd say, yeah. Well, not slower, it's just the way that we trade, yeah, it's different. Now, with the M's and W's, the new kind of thing we brought into, nah, it's all year round, man. It's just, we're getting used to it, obviously.
Guys, don't forget to put like in YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe.
So yeah, so for example, guys, just to show you, if this like 15-minute close is like this, then yeah, I'd get out because we're closing back above. If we do that, then yeah, that's a good way of managing.
The next 15 is very important.
Yes, sir. Mucho importante.
Mucho importante, por favor, para abajo, para abajo.
Porque.
Porque. You didn't know what. You didn't know what to say, huh?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
¿Por qué comida con cara? ¿Por qué? Fucking hot, you. What the fuck?
Wait, what?
Hot's where I'm at. I'm back home. I fucking went there to go get my keyboard and I left. Everyone was looking at me like, what the fuck, bro?
It's quite slow, isn't it, at the moment?
And my only problem is like, I don't know, man. And I do not like that I'm in this because I just took a win.
Everything looks sick on the higher time frames, man. We've got the bias, which is good, but it's just I need it.
I know, but we already pushed so much. I know.
Yeah,
It's not that much for gold, but it's much for gold on London session.
Yeah.
And these wicks to the left on the 4 hour, it's not really my thing.
I wanna take a buy.
Yeah, when this motherfucker says this now I'm doubting it. Shut up, Eloy. Don't say shit, man.
You are pussy, Kiko, because yesterday I say I wanna take a buy. What do you do?
No, I wasn't really trading yesterday.
Don't lie here in the group, man. Tell the truth.
I wasn't really trading yesterday. What do you want me to say? I only saw your buy, your 1 lot buy in the fucking 7 o'clock.
Yeah, and you see my 5 lot buy the other day too.
Yeah, I guess I see in there.
Happened? What happened both ones? Go to discount.
It's time to manage the trade now. I haven't got a 15 closure yet, but yeah, I will if the 15 closes. Still retesting the 15, like it's okay.
What do you think, Kiko? You don't think? You think he go like a 9004? I like too the idea. Max is the boss, no?
Like the boss.
Hey guys of the group, thanks for the birthday message. I'm too crazy to test you back, guys. Crazy. But they see you guys.
You cray.
Hours closing in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Just give a little push. Just a little more.
A little nudge.
So let me go break even.
Huh? When will I go break even? 907.5. So if this was done, obviously it's a 5-minute closure below. If this was one of his things, he'd be waiting for pineapples if this closes bearish below.
What the fuck is a pineapple?
Like that. Just an extra entry.
Yeah, but he never takes the extra entries on his fucking thing. On his stream.
Yeah, but you need to also remember why, right? If he starts triggering his 4 lots that he does off stream, how many people in the chat go like, "Oh my god, he's over leveraging! Oh my god, he's over risking!" He might put him off, man. He knows what he's doing.
Gotta pay to play.
Yeah, boy. You need to let him cook, man. Let him cook. Let him cook. Man, he fucking cooks as well. He motherfucking cooks, man. Don could come from like a 20 grand loss and make that motherfucker back instantly, man. He needs to cook.
Bro, fucking 25 minutes later, bro.
Man, he did some ayahuasca shit, man. He sees in the distance, goes, man, I'm gonna fucking quadruple lot this bitch, and it's gonna be good. You know,
Yeah,
he doesn't need the smoke.
Drawdown. He don't care, bro.
Yeah,
he
man.
doesn't care.
He don't need the smoke of the YouTube chat going, "Oh, you fucking risking this now. You're risking 150 lots." Like, bro, I don't need that shit. Just wait until he comes back an hour later and he's made money.
And then he posts W day.
Yes, sir. Creds to it, man. It's amazing. I watch it every day, and like now because it's so often that it happens, man, I know it's coming. Like, this motherfucker gonna rip. So the 5-minute goes bearish. Obviously, if this 15 closes,
then you have a 15-minute seller, right?
Yeah, if the 15 closes bullish like that, then yeah, I'm gonna get out, but it hasn't yet, so there's no need for me to manage. Yeah, you've been smashing it, Kanye.
Something like that.
Something light.
Something light.
Dunn wouldn't have entered because the 5-minute closing of the bottom wick. I think. True.
Is that
some light? Some light on my chest. Got the A cups.
On my terminal, the 5-minute did close of the wick though, so it's fugazi that. That's too.
Can we drive down?
I like
4 minutes.
I like how we're still holding that little level over here.
Pushing P.
I'm saying, bro.
Okay, Max needs to say Bosch once and I'll start driving then.
Got 4 minutes. We'll see what happens, huh?
Yep. Good thing is, it looks like we're going to be able to manage quite nicely here too.
Flipping out.
Max just chucked a 60 lawn.
I'm 30 lots deep, Cuddy.
Oh my god.
Oh, you have the 500k account.
500.
500? 100.
I'm gonna pass that shit on stream. Just watch, bro. Give me like a month or two.
Yes, sir.
You know what you need to wait? You need to wait until gold ranges through Asian and then just come on fucking London and just take the trade whatever way it breaks out.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, this shit fucking slow as hell. It's gonna be hard here because the 30 minutes is gonna close, and if that closes bearish below, then man, it's gonna be hard for me to manage still. Because I still like it.
closed my trade because I'm a bitch.
Fair. Nah, you just manage.
Yeah, you're probably gonna get a top wick on the new 30 minute.
Yeah, and I already took a win, you know. Try to
Exactly.
close it early.
Yeah.
We'll do some work now.
For pull back as well. Yeah, we still got 30 minutes until the 4 hour though.
Could very much work out. Normally when the 4 hour closes, it starts ripping.
I always like the volume in 1 minute.
9:30. Yeah.
Yeah, this time is like I feel like most of the trades run.
Look on the 1 minute, it wants to.
Definitely
wants to.
Look on the 0.05 second chart. We're coming bearish over here, breaking lows.
Yep. You got a celery on the 0.5. 30-second chart.
15 still closed bearish.
30-minute close
30-minute close bearish, so I'm leaving it. There's no need for me to manage right now. If you want to be aggressive, you can manage on the 50-minute high there, lose 10 pips, but I'm just gonna manage when we get a close against me.
You're tired, eh? The break evens and the fucking managed.
Yeah, maybe managing too aggressively when everything's closing. Everything's closing with me, you know.
GJ.
What's GJ doing, boy?
I took my money out at the perfect time.
Yeah, you did. And then the IC there you could have actually taken, which is pretty cool.
And yeah, like for people asking like why am I not moving it to the previous 15, is because this could easily, you know, make another wick come up. Whereas this is the main resistance that we got right now. It's pretty strong. We've rejected it like 3 times. So my stop is still safe there. I don't want to overmanage, right? Only when I get one that closes against me, then you know, I know it's not going to push. It just needs some juice, man. But 930 normally brings it, so...
Keep stepping that level and fucking rejecting them.
Yeah.
Might need to pull up and then a re-push. Re-push. That's a new word.
A re-push a P. $286 people over here, amazing. You should like the stream, guys. Like exactly what Don says as well, you know. You're always gonna have some drawdown and trading. You just gotta be able to deal with it. And if you're not comfortable with the trade, just get out. Remember, no one's stopping you to manage. Maybe you're just like, yeah, you know what, this volume maybe is a little bit sus. I'm gonna get out. Like -2 pips. -3 pips, then it's fine as well. I just know if I was on a simulation session and we had a 30-minute closure below, I'd be balls deep in it. I gotta take it. Okay? Break 1909.2, Jesus. Keeps tapping and going, nope. Not yet. Not yet.
I go now. I spoke to Roger. He told me.
Told Dominion Markets.
Uh-huh.
When we do break, it's going to be quick. Yep. The expression balls deep.
What's up, pussy boys? Boys.
What's up, pussy boy? So the 30 minutes now is just broken the low of the previous. That's a good sign.
01, 01 is coming.
01?
Yeah, 01, baby. 1901 or 1902.
Just needs that juice. Bring the juice. Another 5-minute closure bearish again below.
Give a profit to the boys. I don't take it. I'm just happy for you guys.
Yeah.
I just buy. And buy go. I'm waiting for the deep moment. Buy.
Yes, sir.
What's up, Alec? How is the finger?
Finger's good, bro. It's my fucking mouth. I got my wisdom teeth taken out like 2-3 days
Oh,
ago.
that sucks.
Yeah, bro. My face is swollen. I'm on like, I don't even know how I'm up right now, bro. I'm on so much medication.
Eat woman. Eat pussy. Feeling
Yeah,
better.
bro. I can't even fucking talk, bro. Look, bro. They got me on. I'm on all of this shit, bro. That's crazy, bro. I can't even smoke, bro. I smoked the other day. They told me not to.
Don't even feel anything. When I tried to smoke after getting my wisdom teeth out, and couldn't even get
Yeah, and
high.
it's not good
It hurts.
because you have open inside, you know.
Yeah, they call them like dry sockets if you fucking smoke. Fuck, bro.
Yeah, I have a crocodile teeth.
I'm like chewing, like they removed my wisdom teeth, so like I think like my jaw got a little tighter in, and now I'm like chewing on my fucking cheeks, bro.
LSD, bro, LSD. Tripping in acid. If you don't get smoke, just put
And I'll just take some shrooms.
un sangueo. I just play with you.
Oh, fucking drop, man. Come on.
You guys tripping gold, man.
Just drop. If this was NY, it'd be there now.
You know, that's a strong area for me, bro.
Oh, for buys.
No, for.
Okay, so now we're starting to push down. Now we shouldn't break this previous 15-minute high. So I'm gonna move my stop loss to there now. Okay. And that is how you manage. No, we're not in enough profit yet. But we should really, I don't want this drawdown now. If we start coming back up, so managing from a 25 pip stop, I think it was, to a 10, for me is perfect.
Man, I recommend if you guys have some problems with girlfriends traveling to Kiko's town.
It'll solve all the girl issues.
Oh my God, man. It's like a Victoria's Secret store.
Yeah, plus it's also Afro Nation there at the moment, so it's full.
Sheesh.
I hung over for 5 days.
Are you back home? Yeah, you're back home.
Yeah, I go back home. Oh man, finally, no? If I not go back home, I have panics.
That's funny.
Max, you're going to Miami?
First day I go
Yes,
to
sir.
dinner and drink something with my wife and kids and go back home, leave the guys and go back out and just go back 6 in the morning.
I'm gonna be at a B&B with other traders. I don't know if I'll have a bong, but I'll have my dab rig if you want to slide.
Nah.
You going Rolling Loud or no?
Nah. No boy.
Dude, the Rolling.
Max is about to go on the American experience. Just go Rolling Loud.
He's about to go to
smoke.
the strip club. That's it.
Welcome to Miami.
He's definitely going strip club. He's just not gonna.
Man, the strip clubs have a good beef.
Have good chicken wings.
Yeah, I don't like chicken wings, but I eat a good couple steaks, good steaks in the strip club. I'm watching shake ass in my face. Eat steak with French fries or fucking shake ass, my friend. My friend.
Life doesn't get much better than that.
Oh,
So yeah, I mean, look at if we lose this trade, 27 pip stop. I've managed risk to like.
you wanna
10.
rent a car up there, Max?
Nah, I won't rent a car.
No, just
Ubering.
drive, taxi, or...
But yeah, like when you buy like weed or like you buy like a pack, like an eighth pack, and it comes in like a, what's it called, like a baggie. Like the Rolling Loud tickets, they come in this with your wristband, and it looks like it's like some za, yeah.
Really?
And it has the festival tickets in there.
That's mad.
It's just a bracelet, yeah. Bro, I'm gonna record Central C for you, Max. I got you.
Oh yes. Does Dave go? Is Dave going?
Nah, I wish.
Fuck man, he's an absolute.
I heard Central C signed like a fucking 25 mil contract.
Oh really? Oh, man, he's fire, bro.
But it's not. He's still independent apparently. But
Yes, it's only based on the U.S. What was that, Ellie?
Alex, you want something?
Oh my days. How much is that?
100.
Sheesh.
Man, it's for the 2 months.
2 months, 150 grams a month.
2 months and a half.
So running
Drive,
around
bitch.
like 7 pips. Yeah, it's just slow, bro.
I don't smoke all my vacation.
Ah, you're a good boy.
Yeah, man. Amazing. Feeling like a fresh. Now I wanna take a bong. Just drink. Look, break even, Mr. Break Even.
He's definitely not going to break even. He's either losing or he's gonna win.
Are you gonna hold the TP1? Are you gonna?
We'll see. We'll
Nice.
see. Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's a 4-hour close, so like, that fucking sucks.
TP3, Obi-Wan.
4 hour will just not make a top wick and just drive.
Hey, you streaming?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, I said too much shit.
Anfitrião desativo o compartimento. Yeah, good. Oh man. I need vacations only with my wife. Bring kids to vacations, man. Oh my god. Man.
It's not very vacation-y, is it?
Sometimes I want to put in the freeze and go out and go back and
Put them in the freezer. That's great.
Oh, my young kids in the beach. Oh my god, he need like a dog things, you know. Can't control, man. Hey, Kiko.
Yo.
So expensive, the fucking town, eh?
Yeah, man. It's tourist town, right?
Oh my god, for rich one.
A rich one. Oh, mate. It's cold.
She keeps pushing down, driving all the way back up, pushing down, driving all.
And it's too far, Kiko. 5-hour drive, bro. Too far, bro. I'm fucking tripping. For go back. When I go back home, I go back 160.
Where do you live, hello, eh?
I live in Porto, Matozinhos.
Matozinhos.
Yeah. You know, I have a problem with the car again. And the security, no? Como é que se fala seguro em inglês?
Insurance.
The insurance gave me a AMG. Oh my god, the car's so fast. Maybe I have a couple of tickets. First, I can just go back. You're talking with my wife, and when I see 140, 160, the speed. I bring my dog too. To Albufeira.
Yeah.
Albufeira.
Come
I
on.
like that name. That name's a vibe. Albufeira.
Push, break this slow. 15.
It's actually an Arabic name.
Move stop loss above previous 15. Could do. It's a bit tight. I'd rather, if you're doing that, I would just go break even, to be honest.
I want to smoke them.
Yeah, guys, I mean, it's another closure. I'm going to wait for this move to reflip, and then if it breaks that low, I'm going to go break even. I don't want to overmanage because we're still closing below. We're still closing fine. So you need to remember that. We're still closing. The 15 just closed below. It's exactly, if I actually went and drew the candles out, this would be, you know, exactly the candle. Obviously, I'd want them a little bit fucking larger, to be honest. It's just the Fugazi 5 minute and then 1 minute that's pissing around, but actually you're just getting closures.
You do a new challenge here, Alec.
Yeah.
500. The guy wanna be a millionaire. He got with mounts. Yeah, me too. I buy all the 100 ones. I start.
Yeah. You got it.
Yeah, I make 5,000 already.
Easy peasy.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
What did you start, Aloe? A new one?
1 week.
What size?
100.
Nice, man.
Yeah, I think if I make that one, I can mix with the other one. That one's gonna be good. I already pay my bills this year.
It's the life, man.
Not totally, because I have the house a little bit, but the school of the kids already pay.
Beautiful.
Nice. I would put my stop loss above the previous 15, to be honest.
I was thinking maybe now towards the end.
Yeah, I got hit break even.
1909.7.
I think you guys need to start seeing buyers.
Looks like we're gonna get buys later on.
Oh man, this vacation I trading by phone. Oh my god.
I've moved my stop now, guys. 19907. So I'm risking like 4 pips.
Trading by phone is for crazy people.
Alec.
You trade by phone, no, Alex? Sometimes.
Only the phone.
You never watch the screen?
That's for pussies.
All right. This is my breakfast, boy.
That's in my breakfast. See, guys, I moved my stop to the previous 15 now. You know, I'm not. So, like, if I lose this trade now, I'll lose 4 pips. My stop loss is 27. I do percentage risk, so I'm not losing a lot. And there's still a load for it to go down. It's just it's so slow, and it's towards the end of the 4 hour. And maybe the last 10 minutes we get the drive. If not, then I'll lose 4 pips. Getting a bit more used to like losing, like, you know, the tiny ones like that. As long as I'm managing nicely, it doesn't affect, you know. The win rate looks maybe a little bit less, but if I'm managing correctly, it doesn't matter, right? I'd rather have a lower win rate, but the losses are managed nicer. So. Albufeira.
Didn't you say that you're going to like a wedding or something right after Miami, Max?
No, I'm on a lad's holiday before. I'm on a lad's holiday before,
okay.
and then I'm going.
You only gonna be there for how many days in Miami?
Well, I don't know. I'll have to see. 'Cause it's quite a big trek for me, you know. I don't want to be there for like fucking 2 days, like travel and everything. It's fucking miles, bro.
Yeah. I haven't even booked my ticket yet.
Yeah, same. Same.
I booked my place, Rolling Loud, and I haven't even booked my plane ticket.
What place you going at? Because I'd love to go somewhere where people I know. You send me it.
Yeah, I'm in a house with like 7 other traders.
Yeah,
so.
but just like in the area, you know. I want to.
I South Beach. I got a place in South Beach, I think.
Okay.
But also, I know a lot of people are kind of staying near Brickell, like downtown-ish.
Yeah, that's what Don said.
That was my original. Yeah, that was my original idea. But I'm trying to be outside. Are you going just for the meet and greet? That's it, or?
No, I'm at the boot camp as well. I'm gonna be talking and shit.
Oh shit, bro, that's way too much work. Work on vacation. Huh? That'll be dope, bro. Yeah, man, those boot camps. Anyone that's paying for that, I think it's worth it for sure.
Yeah.
Let's put some likes.
You see yourself ever doing that, Max?
Maybe, yeah.
He doesn't have a choice.
What you mean?
Boot camp.
Yeah, yeah. A lot of squad
Hey,
money.
be careful the sharks up there. Too many.
These sharks.
Yeah, bro.
Right, I'm out, guys.
We're going Albufeira. We're doing a boot camp in Albufeira.
No, man.
It's a trading boot camp and a surfing boot camp at the same time.
No good, man. No good. You wanna hang over, you don't wanna think too much. Like
I'll go surfing and go over. You don't know me.
I like Canarian Island. No, whatever, like
So I got in. 1 second.
Martinique.
So I got in there, stopped out there, so lost 5 pips.
I'm gonna take a buy.
Yeah, I'd watch the buys later on. I think they're gonna be quite juicy. We can't break that level. So let me just update. But perfect, very, very happy with that. Very happy with the management. Just no push, which is just can't do too much about that.
Yeah, Barcelona is great, Daniel. Barcelona is great. I like yeah, it's a good idea, Barcelona.
Barcelona.
No, speak Spanish, mamacita, whatever you want.
So now, guys, because my entry was good, the 15 closed below and everything, if this miraculously closes like bearish again, I will not be re-entering. Okay, this is one that I wouldn't re-enter. I only re-enter trades when my entry was maybe a little bit off or a little bit premature. Whereas for me there, I'd say I was a bit premature getting the celery, but the 50-minute did close below after anyway, so I would have been in this trade there. And then, yeah, we're struggling. So what I learned from when I was younger is if you try and get into a trade again after it didn't work the first time, even though your entry was fine, there's a very high probability this shit's not going to work out because it should have worked out the first time. Oh, it's 10 o'clock now. Fuck me. Well, we'll do the sim at 11 then.
Hey, Max, if he broke in the 12:30, we buy, correct?
I don't know now. I'll have to have a look. So let's take a look. The hourly time frame closing 5 minutes time. It's still going to close bearish. 3 minutes going to close back above. Obviously, there is a W formation now. It's a little bit of a bigger one, but 1 second. Yeah, it's like this one here. The only issue is your stop could be quite large, I think. 30 pips.
11 or 12?
It'd be 11.3. Yeah, like anywhere in these 11.3.
11.3.
To be fair, yeah, that's a little W if you want to get in a bit aggressively. Anyone going for this W here? Back above. 3 minute coming back above. Is it the little retest?
Brian's already in.
Well, I think if I was Brian, yeah, his lower entry would be here. Your stop would be 16. I don't think it's too bad. Right, a fucking new signal again. do. Yeah, it's like 30 pips to the high. It's not bad. Again, the start of a new hourly is always a little bit of a pain to do with M's and W's. We find them quite hard because the lower wick of the new hourly can be quite aggressive. So let's just wait on until this hourly closes. GA back to the low. Well done on the risk management. Cheers, Dreamy. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's good, man. Very happy with that. Very happy. Didn't get emotional. They didn't get, you know, aggressive with my things. We're still closing in my direction, so there's no need to manage. But when it starts, you know, breaking previous highs and not giving me the drive, coming towards a 4-hour closure, I can manage. If I lose 5 pips from a 27 pip stop, just to show you how much that would have actually cost me. 0.26%. So, you know, it's great. I suppose it is a little bit of a W. It is at support as well.
Yeah, it looked clean on the 1 minute.
It did. The only issue is the volume. There doesn't seem to be much volume. And it isn't, right? It's coming towards the gap again. Just see how this hourly closes and then we'll see what we can do. Why are you so slow, Goldie? So that trade there, I would be 100 billion% taking that trade every day, but also especially NY. NY that gives you the volume for breaking zones. Sometimes London can be maybe a little bit slow in terms of breaking like lows, but I think that one was still worth taking. Mark Squad, have a nice day. See you later, Scarlett. Yeah, be careful NY. I see you later on. That's very true. Very true.
Lots of news tomorrow, huh?
Yep. What's the ones tomorrow? There is some. Oh, yeah. Final GDP and employment claims. Yeah. Really not a bad day. So the 30-minute closed above. Hourly closed bearish. It's hard, man. Take on the flip. Even the yeah, the 5 is retesting here. If this reflips and pushes, yeah, I think it could be all right. How did the 4-hour close? Yeah, the 4-hour close bearish below, man. I don't know. I still think sells. It's just playing a bit horrendously. 30-minute closed bullish, but still below previous support. The hourly candle closed bearish below. Yeah, I can't take these buys, guys. It's completely against my nature to take a buy when the hourly just closed below. The 4 hours just closed below. The daily's bearish. It would just be a silly trade for me to take. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait later on, guys. But the analysis today, good job, right? In terms of today, we discussed the buys above here. These buys on GJ, They worked out nicely. No real entry for me with this. I wanted this 50 minutes to close above, but didn't. So maybe the 5-minute W or the 5-minute just break at the high would have been nice. And then obviously the gold sells, which just haven't really played out. They've just been sitting around here. But yeah, if we do start seeing some bullish signs, some strong closures, target for today 1915.2, 100%. To go retest that order block if we do reject here, which looks like we're going to, because this is just not pushing down at all. But yeah, lack of volume here, but good management. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. See you later on. People in the mentorship will do the simulation session at 11. So we'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for coming on. See you later, Zoom. Thank you, Lohe. Thank you, Calm. Thank you,
thank you, Max.
Christian, everyone. Thank you very much, man. Peace out, squad. Adios, adios. See you later, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. Enjoy your day, guys. Peace out. Have a great day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.